What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about my length check videos. So I know I've been recording my length check videos probably every week or every other week. I try to record a length check video, but to me, I'm not noticing much of a difference when I record it every week. So I think I'll try to stretch out the length check videos probably every 2 weeks or every 4 weeks. That way I have more time in between. If I feel like my hair did some major improvements with the length, then I'll probably do an update as soon as I notice a difference. But as of right now, I feel it looks pretty much the same. Nonetheless, it is very thick and very healthy. I must say the rice water has definitely helped with volume, and it has definitely helped with keeping my hair really healthy and really shiny and really pretty. So I do appreciate that. Whether or not it continues to grow, we don't know. So far it's doing really good. So far so good. I just feel like but sometimes it could be me. It could be me seeing myself all the time and not noticing the difference, which is why I try to do length check videos all the time so that I could really see the difference. But in the first few weeks, I did notice a huge difference because I was doing it more often. But then I don't really want to do it too often. So now I've been doing it once a month or once every 2 weeks. So yeah, so I want to do an update probably once a month or twice a month, or if I notice a huge difference, then I'll do an update. But as of right now, the length is, to me, let me see if you can see. Hold on. Okay, to me, the length is pretty much the same. I mean, I probably get a little half an inch extra, but to me it looks the same. And I can't find my tape measure for nothing. I look for it, but I can't find it. So let's just do this for this video, and then you could check my other videos and see if you notice a difference. To me it looks similar like last week when I did the length check. So, but it's long. Your girl hair is getting long for sure, that's for sure. So you see, and then these are the areas that I normally check. So I'm just doing this video as a reference. You could check the other video and see and compare it. I'm not using a tape measure tonight because I can't find it, and I just didn't feel like I got much of a difference with the growth, right? So that is it for the length check video. Let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. Should I still do length check every week, or you think it makes more sense if I do it once a month, or if I notice a significant difference, then I do a length check video? Let me know what y'all think, but that's what I think would be best moving forward. Okay, so I'm about to do a protective style in this hair, so stay tuned for that video. It's coming soon. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.